It's a 2013 Cadillac Escalade. It stays true to its Cadillac soul, offering sophistication throughout while being everything you need an SUV to be. And it comes with all the amenities you need. V8 engine, 4-wheel drive, integrated navigation system with voice activation, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, rear parking sensors, AM/FM satellite radio, memory steering wheel settings, heated steering wheel, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.